Hi guys, today we are in the first time where we got that. So today I'm gonna first time. So I'm gonna wish that make us do. Wait, what? But I don't want to. What? Wait, it doesn't really. Like I'm nude, bro. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna wish there. So what I do today, this one I make this, but it's just the first time which I choose. This one is look like weird. This one I like this. I'm trying to make this. Okay, so I'm gonna make this. It's pretty this. Okay. Now I put this and maybe tattoo forever. Okay, so I'm gonna wish this. Okay. This one I make this for. Hi guys, today I'm just rolling again. Okay, done. Now I make table. This one I make this table. So I'm gonna this one. Okay, so I'm gonna first time. But it's just really weird though. Look, guys, it's just a free. Bruh. This one is like a free. Okay, so about this. Come on, just what I do. It's like weird. It's like a money. Okay, I make forever time to ready friends. Where's kid choose tea? Now good. I'm just putting up. What is this? Is that a? Okay, I will pick this. Where did it come from? Okay, that one. Okay, the way to put there. Now should I make this? Now this one. Okay, done. So I'm gonna chair. Now I'm gonna change this. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm gonna first wait us. Yes, I make this. But it's just a really apple. I like this. So I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna make this one. It's look like an apple and orange, but it's just a. Okay, the lights now. Just sobrang. What did I choose? Okay, so I'm gonna lights. So, okay, I'm gonna mark this lights. Now it's pretty, guys. I'm just really got this. Oh my gosh, I just Kalimot. Cool. Where's the garbage, bro? It is. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one I just fear.
Sino sa kanila ang nanalo sa
Zero
amateur
since
singing
super.
contest ng more than 100 times?
So today I'm gonna make this.
Mahigit sa 100 beses nanalo sa amateur singing contest. Tatlo dyan. Nanalo
Gonna
ng
lalaki si
make this.
times.
Sabi nito ng lalaki nga, napag-isa kay 31 naman niya edad.
I'm gonna make this forever. This
10
one.
years old man siya nagsugod.
So this one,
Letter A,
I like
Ano
this.
pulo?
Alvin. B,
Adugen.
C, Benji. D, Harris.
Sana, si Harris.
E, Joyce. F, Joy. G, Michael. Pipili ka ng tatlo.
Si Joy, si Harris, at si Dayan.
This one I tree.
Nanalo.
I like this.
More than 100 times.
Sa isang gabi, 3 beses silang mag-contest.
Ikaw ba na kailan? Regine. Wow.
Konti lang, mga 98.
Parinig naman.
Walang gano'n.
Parinig naman. Parinig na.
Okay, done. So today I'm just like my house. Where did I get garbage? Oh my gosh. So I make this really goddamn.
100 times? More than 100.
Good. I like this. So today I'm gonna make here.
Ibig sabihin,
Di bata pa man siya.
sa
edad.
contest mo na.
Sa edad ako.
I'm gonna make here, but it is so. This is so embarrassing like that. This one is kitchen. Look at kitchen. This one will make this. Okay.
Okay,
This one as a playground. I don't have a copy.
kay Joy.
Just me.
Pwede sa daming fiesta kasi, pwedeng lagariin yan eh.
And this one is about for Emily. Come on, bro, and just
Alam mo pa, teka.
okay. So I'm gonna make
Ang hirap dito.
this one. I make this forever,
Pero sige,
but there's no swimming.
ikaw Mami Rose,
So I'm gonna make first time really. I'm so happy about that.
letter A.
I'm so proud of this.
Pwede rin ganun.
Okay, about this one.
Wala yung ganun strategy na lang yung para di siya mamili.
Peely tree. That's fine.
Kung ganun si Dayan eh.
It's so quite dirty, but I don't know. This one I like. This one. Big about that.
Eh, di, sige.
What should I do?
Dayan.
I should be this one,
Sinusubukan lang ko ni Dayan eh.
but I don't know.
Okay, then.
I like this one. That's so really nice.
Isa pa.
Now scroll down. Oh.
Sige, dito tayo.
I know that's so.
Pag
We not tree in here. Dada, I like this. So today I'm gonna make this one. I make this.
sige, eh, B, Mami.
I beat this.
Baka na-experience.
Big for pizza.
I need a, of course. Come on.
Pwede papasok sa kanya yung 100
Wait.
times.
Where's the oh?
Rose, Adi.
Come on. Just gonna. Come on. Come on.
Tatlo, 2 beses siyang
Sino?
lumalaban sa isang gabi sa mga fiesta sakali. Pero 19 years old. 20 years old lang.
Letter D. Yari.
Just gonna be sure.
Pwede nga lagariin, eh. Pwede. Oo. Kasi isang linggo, ang daming fiesta.
Just gonna make this.
Ang dami natin.
A grass.
May ganong chance kaya dito.
So today I'm gonna make first time. Okay, good. But it's just look like weird.
May sumali kaya sa kanila sa piyesta kayo.
Let me show you this. Okay. Okay, good. This one I make this.
Gusto mong palitan?
I straight.
Pero palaban din kung bata.
So I'm gonna make forever. This one I like this, but I don't know. I get some things. I'll get some things.
Ay, Lord, mukhang may chance pa.
Okay,
So, 100%.
come on. Okay, good. Now this one. I need a first time. Okay guys, I'm just gonna be make our
Medyo hindi kami okay kay Joy.
Ako din eh. Pero mahirap mag-judge din.
Francesca. I don't really curse that. Oh, what should we do? I'm just gonna stop.
Joy, ito yung
Stop, come on.
palaban sa contest at mukhang di natutulog ko eh.
Okay,
Oo.
so I'm gonna make
Walang
this one, but it's so heavy. So heavy this. So today I'm surely gonna.
Final judgment.
Okay, I do the things. To the things. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna any things.
Gusto mo palitan si Dayan?
Oo, Dayan. Palitan ko si Dayan. I go for Paris.
I think that this really.
Si Maiko? Dayan, balik ka. Forward si Maiko.
This one I make this. The cat. Sorry, it's just
No, sure ka na
just
dyan.
away.
Ito yung
Bro.
ko kanina eh. Okay, Dayan.
Okay, so the
Sige.
but it's just talking here.
Go, kaya na.
Okay, now. Come on,
Si
bro.
Joy.
Come on. Okay.
Hindi na pa niya pinagdidis.
I need things. Where's the things? Oh, maybe things here. This one that my kids are playing. Playing on top of it.
Yun ang importante.
I sure this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna proceed. I really got this. It's still like a. Fine, okay. Okay. Okay, so. I'm sorry, guys, this looks like a Bisaya. Okay, so. This will look like this. Ew. My dad really into it. Just fine. So I'm gonna get things sweet. I'm gonna murmur it. I'm sorry. Just really got hit. I just really started. I just need more towel. Hello. Towel yellow. Oh, come on. Just put in this. Okay. Come on, no. No, I'm just completely. Come on, what are you doing? Fine. It's just a looking about. This toys really got me to make it. This one now. And I need a first time. Okay, so this one I made this. I like that. Today I'm gonna make grass. A grass. Where is the grass? Okay. Oh, come on. Click. Okay. Okay, so I need a plate. Sorry, guys. I need a plate to fix the dog. Where's the bed? Alright, already. I think it's that first time mercy.
Thank you, Joy. Sunod natin si Alvin.
Okay, Don. Sorry, guys, I'm just really good at fate.
Cafe Gold. Buy now.
When I do this, it's like.
Deal season. You one of the lucky winners of these awesome prizes. Apply now.
Okay. I like this, so I'm just proud of this.
Dili lagi ni siya. Yaris lagi dapat dipili ni.
Okay.
Yaris.
That is how I do.
Kadaw ko siya wala.
Okay, done. So, this is the kitchen here. Kitchen, so,
Oh, 450 times, grabe.
okay. Did a 4 families. Oh my gosh. Come on. I only tap that. Sorry guys, I'm just recording me. I'm gonna get a gift now. Okay. 4 families I got.
Sa Tondo po madalas marami, minsan 5.
Okay. I want this first time.
Yung po pinakamarami sa Tondo.
Sorry guys, I'm just
Baka
kidding.
ginagawa sa buhay mo, wala po, yun lang. Mag-contest lang.
That is really popular.
Solid na.
Ginawa na talaga niya nga. Yun ang kanyang
Just popular guys.
Ano,
But just so messy.
meron ka bang asawa?
I like this. I'm so proud of this.
meron po.
Pero usually mga maturista yung mga piritera.
Oo.
Okay.
Ano yung pinakamataas mong binanatan, Brad, na
Okay, wait, it's just sometimes just messy, but I don't know.
mga hatoy ng kama?
Come on, I don't like this.
Unang pipi at bingi ni Freddy ang
It's just so messy.
baba lang yung kung pinataas mo.
Paano po? Paano?
Parinig na?
So, scroll down.
Ready? Unang pipi, bungi.
Just like-
Ikaw muna. Bungi. Ikaw muna. Bungi.
No, I know.
Wala niya sila talaga.
Okay, I'm gonna just Just want to just make it now. Into the microphone. A plate, please.
Yun lang yun. Nananalo ka.
I just forgot 1, 2, 3. Just 3 and 4. Okay, 4. And what about that? That's good. Okay, I'm gonna make this one and ronder. It just is really straight. Fine. I'll make there.
Thank you. Thank you. Eto.
Come on.
Ito kayo nanalo sa amateur singing contest ng 100
Okay,
times.
good.
Tanungin natin.
Michael, mahilig ka ba sumali sa mga amateur singing contest? Yes po.
I'm just really proud of this.
Yes.
Nananalo ka ba? Yes.
Nananalo din.
Ang Sumali ka na
Why
ba?
don't forget for
Nanalo ka na ba sa amateur singing contest ng 100 times or more?
Parang ninenervous ka. Mag-relax ka
I
muna.
forgot this.
Babalikan natin si
So
Michael
messy.
Dito sa Bawal Judgmental.
Forgot. her families.
Sigurado ka na ba kay Michael?
Okay, done.
Bibigyan na
Now,
pagkakataon
freezer.
kung gusto mong magbago ng isip. Kanina sa first round,
Come on.
bibigyan
Okay.
kita ng chance. Pero
Yeah, what's this? And just really kidding me. Just kidding.
tanggapin mo.
I like this, so I like.
Gusto mo ba palitan si Michael?
Okay. Yeah, I just only one that.
Nag-down siya. Mami.
Kung iyong papalitan si
Oh, come on, what are you doing?
Nag-down siya.
Turn, onion. Whoa, I like this. I'm so proud of it. Bro, I saw that.
Buhay na sila, bossing.
I think there.
Okay ba sa'yo?
Pero wag din natin isulit si C. You know, kaya mo si Alvin,
Okay.
tao, laki ng boses, pero 400.
I give
At saka yung
this.
maliit, si Joy, hindi rin.
Whoa, I just so proud this.
Ito siya.
So I'm gonna mark.
Ay, Lord.
Isundin mo ba? Gusto mo bang palitan? Ikaw. Ano ang iyong desisyon?
Okay.
Pakailan meron
The car. Come on, I'm just making up.
Hindi mo ba si Rose? Instinct ni Rose?
That one.
Mga pakialam meron ka.
What is the late pop down? Okay. Oh, come on.
Sige.
Sige ba?
Okay, done. I found it.
Huwag na natin ituloy.
No, that one. That's really good a bedroom. What should we do? So today I'm gonna make the over today.
Eh, utak ka ba?
Yun nga po po.
I'm just gonna make.
Desisyon.
Gonna plate. Oh, just a kidding.
O hindi na? At kung papalitan, sino ang gusto mo ipalit?
Sa inyo, ba't sila ba sa inyo? Na.
Oh my god.
Sige. Replace si Michael.
Palit ni
D.
Aris.
Susundin ko yung mga nabarkas.
Huwag kang manalis sa bulong-bulong. Final decision. Aris.
I don't have that. Wait, dude.
Sige, sige.
I'm so proud of this.
Mahamak ang manager. Yung manager naglaglag.
Harris.
Marami nyo na ba ang nasalihang amateur singing contest?
Uy,
No, Harris. Nakasalalay siya.
Pero, yun na yung tanong. Nananalo ka ba? Nananalo. Ayos yun.
yun.
Ayos na.
Yun.
Ano ka? Nanalo ka na ba sa 100 or more than 100 na amateur singing contest?
Okay, so I need a time.
100 times!
Alam mo, kailan tumama itong mga pakialamerong kapitbahay, ha? Lalasan niya muli.
Paris!
Ilang taon ka na, Aris?
31 po.
Hindi ka na mapagod.
Pagka po gusto niyo ginagawa mo, hindi ko dapat tumagod.
I just do that.
Ikaw sa barangay yan. Yung pinaka nakatatlong
Okay, so?
panalo ka o 4 o 5.
Buong region 3
I need a table.
Manila.
Buong Region 3. Buong Region 3. Grabe ito para ka wanted.
Give me that.
Yung pinakabanding.
Yung
So I'm gonna.
I can stop laughing.
My God, first time.
Salamat, Harris.
Thank you, Ari. Tanong natin yung iba. Sino ba pinalita? Si Maiko.
Michael, ilang beses ka na nanalo sa amateur singing contest?
Tingin. 50 times ba?
Grabe, 50 times.
Mahina.
Papunta na.
My God.
Si Joyce.
Good. Ilang beses ka na nanalo sa amateur singing contest?
8 times pala.
Bago pa lang.
Okay, done. I just really can't.
Benji.
Benji, ilang beses ka?
I forgot to play. I so got it's so beautiful. Thanks, guys. So I'm just beautiful. This.
Si Dayan.
Dayan.
Ilang beses na?
I have no idea.
Pero malayo pa
Gosh, I forgot that bad.
Galing mo dyan. 45,000 ba ang pera na itong super technique?
I forgot bad room. Oh gosh.
Round 3.
Okay, round 2.
Yung mga nanalo ng more than 100
Really
times.
just saving light. I'm just making
kayo.
part.
Step forward.
Just kidding.
Ito, mas madali na. Tatlo na lang ang pagpipili.
Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's really dark. What is the bedroom here? And where's the?
Pag nagkamali ka,
I think.
ang bawas eh 10,000.
I think it's really. But it's okay.
Lagay mo.
I'm gonna this one. It's beautiful.
Kung may record.
Oh my God.
Kung gusto mo ng record ko sa police.
Ang sweldo na yun. Iwasan ko na.
1 out of 3.
Oh my God.
Dito sa tatlong nanalo ng more than 100 times na amateur singing contest, ano sa tingin mo pwedeng itanong?
Okay. Ang pwedeng ipasa.
I'm just really glad to call him out.
Observation ko lang.
What's in the bathroom? Okay.
Yung mga teorya. So, sino sa kanila sino ang nag-appear na sa TV as singing contest sa TV?
Gumamit sa Rose, Adi, may naisip pa kayo?
Sino na sa kanila ang may pinakamalaking
Okay, gonna wait. This is
contest?
the bathroom.
Price money.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys.
Yung sa pinita nila dahil sa
Okay, so.
Dahil sa pagiging amateurist. Sino na nakapagpatay?
I need a chair.
Ganun di ba sa'yo, Adi?
I'm just kidding, bro, guys. I just.
Parang ganun.
It's a real guy.
Ang tanong!
Oh.
Sino sa kanila ang tumalo kay Charis Pepe?
Okay, so I'm not. Sorry, guys. What is the yellow, bro?
Amateurista rin yung Charis Pepenko. Yung Charis Pepenko pa siya.
Oh my gosh, I like this so much. So much. I'm sorry. Okay. I need a mirror. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Kailan na may edad ni Charis ron? May nakadoon sa iya si Harris.
May isa dyan sa tatlo sa harap mo.
Gosh. Oh,
Kay Charis.
I forgot this.
Sino kaya?
What are you doing this summer turn?
Talagang B.
Okay.
Talagang B.
Excuse me.
O si Joy.
Just close the door. Okay.
Ang
I
tumalo
just a breakfast right.
kay Charis.
I 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's just a 6. Oh my gosh.
Natahimik ka mga
Sorry. But it's just fine. What's this? Oh, I like that. Maybe I should run. What's this? Oh. And this one.
Kasi yung mga yan, kung saan saan pumupunta, makasali lang din ang focus.
Sorry guys, I'm just kidding. Oh my.
Tatlo na lang ito pipili.
Ilang taon na ba si Charis?
37.
I just a letter, bro.
Kaya Alvin, 450.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have...
Isa lang yun.
So kung gusto ko ng short talaga dito na ako sa ABS series, siguro naman hagit niya yung bracket age ni Charis as of now.
It's just gonna be Tinks's.
Alvin.
Oh my gosh.
Pwede ka ba kasahin natin si Dave? Wala, hindi abot sa bracket sa edad ni Charis. So nag-base ako sa edad ni Charis na nasa mga 30 early plus si Charis. So I'd go for Alvin.
Alvin.
I just like that pink.
Sandali lang. Pwede pa naman hindi kasi
Kaya namin si Alvin, tapos ang dali lang. Kasi, si Dennis.
No, si Charis. Powerful yan ang tinog.
Charis ba?
Sorry.
72 na.
Sige.
I forgot that thing. Okay.
Yes, mukha.
Ako po papalitan.
Pwede naman. Kung ikaw ay nag-aalaman na siya. Hindi na bibili.
Pwede, possible kasi sa 10 years na natin pwedeng mangyari ganun nila.
Okay.
Ha? Okay, sige, final na photo bossing.
Ano?
The...
Huwag na natin ituloy. Hindi,
Aris.
yun eh, kasi pwede yung pumasok yun sa bracket na yun eh.
Come on.
Hindi mo, pwede mo gawin sa una.
Posible sa 450, walang tatamaan. Sige, go for Alvin.
Alvin. Final judgment.
Pero malaking
Namimiti na eh.
Gawin na.
Final na.
Okay.
Sige, go. Alvin na, para na.
Siguro na magka-bracket.
Alvin. Tanong kaya muna natin si Joy.
Joy, meron ka na bang nakalaban na sikat na singer na mo?
Okay.
Natalo mo na ba si Charis?
Sure mo, no? Hindi po ikaw,
Hindi tinalo si Charis.
Nakalaban niya.
Sino nakalaban mo? Sherilyn Reyes.
Sharon Regis.
Anselin
Taga
Reyes.
Cebu.
Okay, Don.
Cebu. Tapos sino na nakarselo siya?
I forgot.
Okay,
I try.
thank you, Joy.
Thank you,
I'm
Joy.
gonna try again.
Ayan. Tanungin naman
Okay.
siya.
No,
Pwede ba mag-just?
for the bedroom. Okay, guys.
Habang nagilid na yun eh.
10,000 ang bawas. Ay! Alamin natin. Tanungin
I
natin.
forgot this.
Alvin,
What should we do,
may
Dad?
nakalaban ka na ba? Sikat na
This is like a rock.
Meron na.
Wait. Oh my gosh, doesn't really got sleepy.
Marami na ba?
Opo.
Marami na. Marami na.
For kids or only?
Alvin, natalo mo na ba si Charis Perfego?
This one I play this.
Inalo na niya si Charis, pero sabi niya marami na siyang kalaban na sa mga amateur singer. Sino-sino yung mga yan?
Sila Angeline Quinto, sila Siring Davis, sila Lea Patricio, sila Katrina Velate, Supply Buit.
Oh my gosh, the grass I saw about it.
Opo, kung di ako nagkakamali, saan ka unang contest sumali?
Sa Itbulaga po, yung unang-una po si Idol Los ang nagpasok po sa akin sa audition.
Anong contest yun? Macho Man?
Super Serena.
Tingin ko,
Super Serena.
tingin ko,
Singit po, singit.
Nanalo ka. Ay,
Second po, champion po si Sherry Tracy.
So sing it.
tingin.
Tingin.
Galing. Galing.
Salamat.
Salamat, Alvin. Congratulations, Super Tech.
Okay guys, so
Panalo ka na 45,000 pieces. Thank you, Rose. Kay Adi. Maraming salamat din sa ating mga amateurista, mga
Okay.
magagaling na mga talented singers. Kung ano bang talent na ibinigay sa iyo, pagyamanin mo. Hindi tinatago yan, katulad ng
this one I make this. What I do?